gift for that.
Lingcod?
Second one.
No, this is Lingcod. This is Lingcod. No, this is Lingcod. Can you name all the cods? I think that the third one's black, the middle one's Lingcod, and the third one is the Pacific.
Alright.
Can I take my mask off? Black card.
Lingcod. What's my other option?
Pacific cod.
This one, I think. The second one I tried is the Pacific cod, and the one I just tried is the Lingcod.
Okay. Alright. Helper.
Okay, that's the first one. You're focusing.
Oh, I got it? That's definitely black cod. I'm gonna say Pacific cod. Could be Lingcod, but I think I need to taste the other one first to be sure. Is there some on there? That's Pacific cod. So the second one was Lingcod, the third one was Pacific cod.
Okay.
And that's my final answer.
Richard Shields. Oh, this one is right here. Okay.
Okay. I think that was Lingcod. That was black cod.
Sort of small one.
Pacific cod.
Alright.
Lingcod, black cod, Pacific cod.
Yep. Alright. Well,
So you played.
Jen and Steve, of course, got them.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Ava, you were so close. Pacific and Ling confused Ava and Tom. They both had it and then they flip-flopped. So you guys tied. And you guys tied.
All right.
And I had that one first.
I just guessed.
Steve, tell us how you figured out which ones were which.
Well, I could definitely, the black cod, oilier, definitely more rich, and then there was a bone in there, so I definitely knew that was black cod because of the bone. The Lingcod was more halibut-like and had the most flake to it, and then the Pacific cod has just a touch of kind of tougher texture, so it's not as delicate.
Jen, why do you think the kids mixed them up?
I think they're similar in taste. The Lingcod has a little bit more moisture than the Pacific cod, but I don't know that their taste buds can be that delicate.